Hi, you might have heard a lot of people talk about data analytics, and you might be wondering what it actually means. Today, I'm here to break it down for you what data analytics is and what do data analytics actually do. So data analytics is actually a process of examining, cleaning, transforming, and modeling large set of data which help find extract useful information. What I mean by that is that data analytics can analyze large set of data which can help us find very useful information which is extremely beneficial for the business. You might be wondering who needs data analytics. Well, since companies are generating a lot of data, there has been an immense surge in an increase in the volume of data. It has become a necessity to make a better use of all that data that has been generated. And it is being generated through web servers, social media websites, transactional data, and also customer-related inquiries. Data is an extremely powerful tool which can help find answers, future unseen trends, so it is useful for anyone who uses decision making in their business. So what do data analytics actually do? First of all, they identify the problem. They try to understand the problem first. And then they clean the data. They collect the data first and then they clean the data. And after they clean the data, they're able to do data exploration and analysis. After all these analysis, some of the common questions that can be addressed are what will customer purchase will be for the next product? They can predict sale and profit for the next quarter. They can figure out the shortest route to deliver the product to the customer. They can get a better insight of customer interest in product sales or product returns, which are extremely useful and important for a business. So there are four types of data analytics. They are descriptive analytics. This is basically a business intelligence and data mining. It is the most simplest type of analytics. When you can analyze companies' data, you could notice that when you, for example, when you notice a seasonal surge in sale for one of your particular products, this is when you use the descriptive analytics. It helps find answers of what happened. Diagnostic analytics. It helps find answer why did something happen. You can look at what might have caused a surge in a particular product during summertime or during holidays. The third one is predictive analytics. This is basically used for forecasting. It helps us find answers of what will happen in future. For example, it helps you find or predict the same trend for a particular season or a particular holiday. So it basically helps you make predictions for the future. The fourth one is prescriptive analytics. It answers what is the next step we should take. It takes all the possible factors in the scenario and helps suggest actionable takeaways. So now, since we have already talked about what data analytics is and what they actually do, so what are the benefits of using data analytics? Well, there are many benefits for using data analytics. By using various techniques, data can be converted into a more actionable insights, which help businesses optimize their performance. It definitely leads to a faster and more effective decision making. Data analytics help reduce manual work and also help reduce guesswork, which leads to more informed decisions, which help with better outcomes. It has definitely enhanced financial performance. and also it has definitely enhanced better customer service. Data analytics help tailor customer service according to their needs, which builds stronger relationship with customer that helps with giving better recommendations for products and service. And now, what are the tools that are being used for data analytics? Well, some of the most common tools are SQL, Python, Tableau, Power BI, R, and SAS. I will be breaking down all these tools in the next video, so stay tuned for that. Thank you.